What's the meaning of aerial? Aerial. 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 The term aerial has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of its most common definitions refers to something that is related to the air or the sky, such as aerial photography or aerial acrobatics. When used in the context of broadcasting, an aerial is a device for transmitting and receiving radio or television signals through the air. In sports, an aerial can describe a high pass or kick made by a player. Overall, the term aerial typically refers to something that is happening or taking place above ground level.